Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Happy December everybody. Yeah, Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope you're all ready for Christmas. Just before we get into the video, I just want to say that I was kindly gifted some strip lashes. They're from a company called xoxo.co.uk. Obviously I normally wear individual lashes, but since I was poorly the other week, I didn't have them replaced, which means all my lashes, obviously all the fake lashes came out, so I need them redone at some point. So they kindly gifted me with a few pairs of lashes, so I'll tell you exactly what I got. But I got some really lovely stuff. They do loads of different things. I'll leave all of their details in the description below, so if you're interested in buying. Plus also in January there's a 15% off with the code New Year. You do have to spend a minimum of £15, but you do get 15% off, so if you're interested in it. They do some lovely eyelashes, all different ones. They do lots of tools and everything. So yeah, so don't forget to use the code. I'll also put it on the screen as well. It's 15% off with the code New Year, and that is from January. So basically what I got in my little gift pack was obviously these lashes that I've got on today, which I absolutely love. They are so nice. Yeah, really like them. They wouldn't be normally the ones I usually use, 101 ILO ones if I'm going to wear strip lashes, and I've never really ventured to anything. Okay, occasionally I wear the Primark ones as well. But if I was going to buy ILO, which are these ones, these are the ones that I've got on, I wouldn't normally wear these ones, but these are lovely. These are 117 light and wispy. I do like the way they kind of taper out at the side there. They kind of lift my eye a little bit because I'm in my 40s. Us girls need that. It kind of sort of lifts the eye a little bit at the side. So I kind of like that kind of look. They were lovely. Comes with a little pot of glue as well. But they kindly also put in the packet some Revlon Precision lash glue, which is like black, so you don't get any sort of white residue. So that I've used that today to put these on. They also sent me some red cherry ones as well. You've obviously heard of that if you are familiar with false lashes. So these are the wispy ones, so I got a pair of those as well. They also sent some peaches and cream, number 9. Again, these are quite wispy. So I got a pair of those as well, and they did give me an applicator as well. So yeah, they do lots of different things, so check out their details. I'll leave it on the screen, and let's get into the video. Right, so today, as you'll be seeing this, it's the 1st of December, but obviously I've been shopping the day before, so today is Saturday. Yeah, I've been off to, as my usual tour of things, I went and got my nails done, so I popped into Poundland, Wilkinson's, the usual, you know, Poundland. Oh, I've already said Poundland. Poundland, Wilkinson's and Home Bargain, the usual places. Yeah, and I got quite a few bits, so I want to share everything with you. Now, some of them are gifts, so I don't think some of the people that are going to be receiving these are going to be watching my video, so hopefully they won't know that it's for them, but some of the little bits of wrap-ups and stuff. So yeah, so I'm going to show you those as well. So let's get into, I got a few little bits from Wilkinson, so we're going to do that first. Right, so first off from Wilkinson's, I picked up another one of these like clipper lighters. I use these to light candles. I have a few dotted around the house, but they're always being moved around, so I did pick up another one, and that was £2. I also picked up a gift for my mum, and I think my mum does watch my channel, so mum, yeah, here's one of your wrap-up gifts. It's the Olay Firm and Lift 2-in-1, so I did get her a bit of that. She does like that, don't you, mum? I also picked up this big sort of journal book. Oh, look at that. That looks sort of iridescent. And this is just, I think this was £3. Or was it £4? £3 or £4. It's basically, I'm currently doing a course online, and I wanted to put some notes in here, so I basically got it for that, really. It's a dark holographic A4 notebook, so yeah, I got it for that, so I picked that up as well. I did have a look in Poundland, but I couldn't find one in there. And then also from Wilkinson's, I got some of this vinyl self-adhesive. Now this is because I'm going to be sorting under my sink out, and I need to do that next, so I've almost got everything ready to do that, and I wanted to lay some in the bottom, so I got this, which was £5 for some, it's called is it DC Fix, which is just like self-adhesive film or plastic, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to, obviously, because I think the bottom of the cupboard is a little bit crusty. Not crusty, but a little bit damaged. I think there must have been a leak at some point in the cupboard before we had the house and everything, and it's kind of ruined the bottom. And it'll look fresher as well with a bit of plastic on there. So I'm going to put that on the bottom of the cupboard when we come to do it. So that was from Wilkinson. So yeah, going right straight into, let's go to everything I got from home bagging. So I got this huge bag. Right, I picked up some chocolate stocking, and this is for Sam. So yeah, he does like a little bit of chocolate. So yeah, I got that as a bit of a wrap up for him. I also picked up this sort of Lynx shower gel sort of thing as well, and I only noticed afterwards that I think it's got a wireless speaker in there as well, which is quite good because I think it was only £6. Yeah, it says enjoy music in the shower or by the pool with this Lynx shower speaker. And you can charge it, charging cable, and a rechargeable battery, which is pretty good. I mean, I don't know how good the speaker is because I say the whole thing was only like £6. So anyway, so I picked that up. I didn't realise that was in there. I thought it was just the little things on the bottom. So I got that for Sam. Now I know Sam won't watch my whole video, but so hopefully you won't see that. Now I also picked up as well a couple of the Dishmatic refills. I think these were like 89p each. I got 2 packs. I'm actually going to take one of them to work actually, because that one at work is getting a bit crusty. So yeah, I got 2 packs of those. 2 packs of the, again, these were like 59p, the cotton wool pads. Normally I get them from Primark, but I haven't been to Primark. I think I'm running out. So yeah, and I do like the bigger size ones as well. So I've got 2 packs of those. Now I'm also running out of my cellar water. As you know, I don't like to use up all my Clarins peach water. So I kind of use the cheap ones in between. So I got these 2 micellar waters. These are the Derma V10. These were 99p each, which is an absolute bargain. Right, next up, these were 99p each. I got 2 packs of cards. So yeah, these cute little penguin ones, which I think is so cute. I love those ones. And then these ones, which have got like little funny puddings and like animals, and they've got glitter on them. And I quite like the fact that these are like rounded on the edges. And these were both 99p each, and you get in aid of NSPCC, which is really good. And you get 20 cards in each pack, so that was really good. That should do everybody this Christmas. Right, I also picked up, because there's quite a lot of gifts and things in there as well, so this one's nice as a little wrap up, because not only do you get a glass, I think this was £3 or £2.99, you get a couple of sweets, a little shot of Smirnoff, and a glass, which is great. Yeah, so I thought that was really good. That's going to be a little wrap up for one of my friends. Again, another little wrap up for Sam. They do loads like sweets and chocolates and everything, so I got him, he loves wine gum, so he's going to have a box of those as well as a little gift. He's got main presents, you know, like big presents, and then you just get a few little wrap ups. 2 lots of toothpaste. I always mention these, so I'm going to swiftly carry on. I picked up a new pepper grinder because we broke ours last week, so we needed a new one because we literally have no pepper in the house, so I had to buy a new one of those. I think that was $1.99. Yeah, let me check. How much was it? Oh, it was 69p for that. That's an absolute bargain, isn't it? 69p for that. So really good. So yeah, I got that as well. Now I've ordered my friend this really nice picture, and I needed an A4 frame, so I'm hoping this actually fits inside, because this isn't quite A4, this is slightly smaller, but I think you can trim the picture. But I got it with this was $1.99, but I got it with this sort of rose gold sort of glitter around the edge, so I do need a frame to go with it, but it hasn't arrived yet, so I'm hoping that it will fit nicely into this. If not, I'm gonna have to pick something else, but I did like that kind of frame. That's like $1.99, so I got that as well. And then last but not least, I got 2 packs of cat food because it was on sale. It was 2 for £6, so yeah, bargain. And it's the Pure Delight one as well, so I'm sure the puds will really enjoy that. Right, moving on to Poundland. Yeah. Right, first thing I got from here was these multi-surface polish wipes. Now these actually are good for wood, tile, metal and granite, so really good for everything. These are actually for my mum. She wanted some furniture wipes just to do a little bit of sort of swiffing round. But yeah, so I got a pack of those and they were £1. A nice big pack, 60 wipes in there, and it's actually classed as a big pack as well, so I got them for her. Now I also picked up, Sam's got a blister at the minute and it's really hurting, so I got him some Germaline to put on it, and we had ran out of plasters, so I also picked up some fabric plasters because we had none left. We had like 2 left and he's used them up, so these are the fabric ones. I prefer those, they're the better ones. I actually prefer the ones that you kind of cut. They come in big long strips and you like cut a piece off, so I'm not sure what kind these are, but they say the fabric ones, which is the ones I prefer, so I hope they're the ones that we need. So yeah, I got a pack of those because we do need to replenish some of the stuff in our first aid box, so I got a pack of those as well. I also picked Sam up some milk chocolate thins. He really enjoyed the last lot, which I think was the digestive ones. So, oh, these are the digestive ones. Yeah, so he really enjoyed the last one, so I picked up another box. I also picked up 2 scrapers. These actually come together. You get like a pink one and a yellow one together, so obviously to get the ice off in the morning. So I'm going to put that in in both cars. One in one in the other one, so that's for the cars. Right, next up as well, I got some of the Finish Powerball Classic. I got 2 boxes because they're £1 each. I just get these little ones and just keep topping up. So I got those. I also picked up some Comfort as well from Poundland. I think this was £2 each, so I got 2 lots because I was literally running out. So I got 2 lots of this festive stuff, which I actually really like. So I said I was going to stock up, but I keep using it and keep almost running out, so I need to get some more. Also got a pack of the sponges as well because we needed some more of these. Hopefully I'll be able to tidy out under the sink. I bet I've got a load already, but I can't find them. So I've bought some more. So when we tidy it out, obviously you'll be with me. We'll put these properly away, and then we can see what we've got. Right, next up as well, I picked up some of the fairy lights. Now, I usually get these every year. Now, I'm going to give my mum probably a couple of packs because she doesn't get out that much, and she always admires the ones that I pick up from Poundland, and I think when she's asked people to go in for her, they've always ran out. So this one's got some trees on it, which I thought was really cute. Then there's the one with the balls on, which I thought was nice, and then these ones have snowflakes on them. And they're all £1 each. I think you just pop a battery in the bottom, and you've got 8 little twinkle lights there. So I got 3 packs of those. Some other ones as well. You need to check it out. Actually, they're quite nice. Also from there, I picked up 2 lots of Anodine, as I always do. And also I picked up a big bottle of tomato ketchup. This was £2. It's Heinz as well, which is brilliant. This would probably be probably £3.50 or something if you bought it in the supermarket, but it was £2. So I picked it up because it was such a good deal. And then last but not least, from there I picked up an umbrella because I've only got one and I think it's hanging. I actually have more than one, but I can't find them. I've got one with New York on and I've got no idea where it is. I've got the one on the back of the door there, which is like got butterflies on it, and now I've got this one. So I want to try and keep them in the car really, because I keep getting caught in the rain and I end up getting wet. So yeah, so I thought I'd pick that up so I could put it in my handbag. Right, so that's everything for the haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. That's it for today's video, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.